This e-learning lesson is going to cover price changing for procedures and tasks. We're going to show you how to change the price for future procedures that are entered by changing the actual task file itself, and we're going to show you how to change the price of any procedures you had entered in the past, which could also be future reminders. So for this, we're going to go to Wise Option, and we're going to go to Task and Task File from the main menu. And I happen to know we're going to update the West Nile, so I can search, and I will do West Nile, and this is the task that I would like to update, the West Nile vaccine. And so I'm going to update it. I'm going to change the cost from $20 to $25 and save it. So this has now changed my cost to $25, so any procedure I enter in from this point forward will be charged at $25, and it will be suggested at $25. I can show you an example of that. If I were to enter my West Nile, it has now a new suggested price of $25. Remember, at any time, if you want to, you can change the price of that. So that would be how to update anything in the future. Now, for those that we've already done, we can change the ones that haven't been billed yet, as well as the ones that we have set up as reminders for the future. To do that, we're going to use our Procedure Manager. So I'm going to open this. I'm going to come over here to my task and uncheck the All button. This will allow me to type in or select the task from the list of tasks. So I'm going to choose my West Nile task. I'm going to choose both I want done and undone, since I want to group in my reminders as well. I'm going to choose to not see hidden tasks. I happen to use this task as a hidden task quite often when a client will tell me that they had given their West Nile to their horse before they arrived on our place. So you can learn more about hidden tasks in the other e-learning lessons. But for this, we're going to show no hidden tasks, and we're going to show only unbilled. And so for this, we can now use our all dates. And I'm going to refresh the list. And these are all of my dates of the West Nile that haven't been billed, that are not hidden, and they could be either done or undone. So for this, I want to change all of these so that they're the new $25 price. I'm going to select the Check All, which will indicate we would like this to affect all of them. And we're going to change the value to $25 and say OK, and a double confirmation. And it's been updated, and we can refresh our list view here. And I will close it and open it again so that you can see the changes. And we're going to do our same selections, so all status, not hidden, and unbilled, and all dates, and refresh, and you can see that they're all now marked as $25. So that shows you how to change any of the tasks you have already entered, as well as we learned earlier how to change and set up the task file so that you would be able to enter new tasks at that price. So for today, we learned how to change the price of future tasks as well as past procedures.